Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to beat Temu's algorithm and trigger bigger discounts using a few clever tricks. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's outsmart the system. Temu's pricing engine is powered by AI. It watches what you click, what you leave in your cart, and how long you wait before buying. And that's exactly how we can flip it in our favor. First trick is to use incognito mode. Open your browser in incognito mode, go to Temu and browse without logging in. Sometimes you will see slightly better prices or pop-up offers for new users because the system thinks you're fresh traffic. Second, abandon your cart. Add what you want, then close the app and don't buy. Wait a few hours or even overnight. Temu often sends push notifications or with extra discounts to get you to come back. Third, exploit the recommendation engine. Spend time clicking on cheaper alternative or similar products. Temu's AI starts thinking you're budget focused and may push lower priced versions of the same item. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.